Good morning, everyone. So we have here today in class Manpreet Singh, Arpita Singh, Parul Rana, Aradhya Mehta, Shashank Sharma, Mishra sorry, and Harshvardhan Singh, Ikrit Kaur, then I think Shetty, then again okay Avtar Singh Shetty, Kavya Rehan. So all are welcome in today's class, right? So after winter vacations, I welcome you all in today's class, right? So some students they were asking about the examination, final examinations. Now all are very much sure about your final examinations, right? So we have completed the syllabus. You have already gone through your pre-board, and in pre-board we have gone through the whole syllabus, right? So for the next these 2-3 days we will discuss your pre-board papers, right? Set A, set B, right? So today I have here NCERT also. If you have some doubts from your NCERT, right, we can take from all these chapters, right, readings from NCERT, right, any questions from your all 15 chapters, right. Finally, I am giving you some questions from the sample paper, right. So let's start with the first question. So here any you can write down in the comment box any questions from NCERT, okay? And students, some students they have already started in your RD Sharma also, and some of the students they have almost completed their RD Sharma also. So you all students, you are very regular in the classes also, right? So let's start with express 156 as the product of primes. Question number 1. Express 156 as a product of prime numbers. Question number 2. The quadratic polynomial. Write a quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is 2, and the product is -8. Question number 3. So here question number 3, given that given that the HCF of the number 96 and 404, the number is 4, find LCM. Find LCM. Question number 4. You have to tell the pair of equations equations, whether they are consistent or one is your x minus 2y is equal to 0, and the second is 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. You have to pair of equations are given, whether they are consistent or inconsistent, whether they are consistent or inconsistent. Next question. Question number 5. If A and B are co-prime numbers, if A and B are co-prime numbers, A and B are co-prime numbers, then find the HCF of AB. Then find the HCF of. Then find the HCF of A and B. Right? It is a very simple statement question. So here, Kavya Tirhan, good morning. So here, first question, 156. When we start with 156, it's the even number, start with 2, right? So here 7, 8, 78. Again here with 2, 3 2s are 6, and 39. And then we have 3, 13. So prime factorization of the number 156 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. What is the prime factorization of 156? That is 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 1 into 13 raised to power 1. Right? 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 1 multiplied by 13 raised to power 1. Now the second one here, you people can WhatsApp me also, right? You can, those who are solving, so many students are there today. So Tanish, very good morning. Tanish from 10A, right? So let's start. Second question. The second question, the sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, that is always minus b upon a, and it is given, and c upon a, product of is equal to c upon a, that is given minus 8 upon 1, and here it is equal to 2 upon 1. So the value of a here, so the value of a, that is, the value of a is 1, b is minus 2, and c here is minus 8. So the quadratic polynomial here is x square minus of 2x minus of 8, right? This is the quadratic polynomial whose sum of the zeros, that is 2, and the product of the zeros, that is minus 8, right? So we have the relation that sum of the zeros, that is equal to minus b upon a, and the product, that is c upon a. So every time there is this kind of question is always there in the exam. Okay, so you have to find the relation between the coefficients, right? So next, third question, we know the relation, and the fifth question also, co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime number. Two numbers is a very simple and very basic question of grade 10, that two numbers, two co-prime numbers, their HCF is always 1. Last question, if A and B are co-prime numbers, then find the HCF of A and B. If we have two numbers co-prime, A and B are two co-prime numbers, then their HCF is always 1. I have already discussed with you, all co-prime numbers are, or first, all prime numbers are co-prime also. All prime numbers are co-prime also. Like I am giving the example, one number is 5 and one is 13. One number is 5 and one number is 13. We know 5 and 13 both are prime numbers. So all prime numbers are co-prime also. So the pair here 5 and 13, they are co-prime also. But one example, like I have a number 4 and I have a number 9. Now both these numbers, they are not prime numbers. 4 and 9 both are not prime numbers. But these two numbers, they are co-prime. Why they are co-prime? Because they have HCF, highest common factor, that is 1 only. Okay, so in fifth question, if A and B are co-prime numbers, then the HCF of AB, that is always 1, right? So this is a very very simple and important question, right? So at least you should remember all prime numbers between 0 and or between 1 to 100, right? Sometimes or most of the time question is there either from probability or from any other topics. Okay, so you should learn all the prime numbers between 1 to 100, right? So if some student is having any doubts, you can check in grade 6 NCERT mathematics. You will find a table, beautiful table of all prime numbers from 1 to 100, right? So next question, that is related with your HCF and LCM. We know if two numbers are there, then the product of these two numbers is always equal to their HCF into their LCM. And we have seen so many times the questions related with the LCM and HCF and the method, that is prime factorization method, right? By prime factorization method, we should know how to find the HCF and LCM. So if two numbers are given, one number is A and another is B, then the product of these two numbers is always equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So here we have the two numbers, one is 96, one is 404. So one number is 96 and another number is 404. HCF is given, HCF is 4 and LCM we are interested, right? So here what we can do, we can write LCM is equal to right? 96 into 404 divided by 2 into 2, right? So one number here is, that is 48, and another number is 202. So what is the LCM? Multiply it. Multiply your 48 into 202. The number here. So we will multiply the numbers, right? In third question, when we multiply here, 8 twos are, that is 16, right? Again 8 twos are 16, and then we have, that is 4 twos are 8, 0, 4 twos are 8. So we have here the product is 6, 9, 6, 9. And this question is asked so many times, 9696. I think NCERT question, right? So LCM here is 9696. Okay. So question number 4. In question number 4, two equations are given. One is question number 4, x minus 2y is equal to 0. And the other is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Here is minus of 20. If we write right hand side, it will become positive, so it is plus 20. Now we have to tell whether the pair of these equations, they are consistent or inconsistent, right? Whether pair of equations, they are consistent or inconsistent. So we have three things. First, when a1 upon a2, if we have a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b1 upon b2, in that case we have the pair of equations, they are consistent, because if this condition holds, then we have the unique solution. The pair of linear equations, they have the unique solution. Here is the next, that is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In both these cases, right? In both these cases, we have the pair of linear equations, they have the consistent, the solution is consistent. Consistent means when the equations, they have the solution, either one or so many or infinite many solutions. So here 1 upon 3, a1 upon a2, that is a1 in here is 1 upon 3 is not equal to minus of 2 upon 4, right? So pair of linear equations, they are consistent. Pair of linear equations, they are consistent, right? Because here we have a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So next question. Next question is, find the area of the sector of the circle. Find the area of the sector of the circle. Question number 6. Find the area of sector of a circle Find the area of the center of circle with the radius 6 centimeter. If angle of sector is 60 degree, if angle of sector is 60 degree, take phi 22/7. Take phi 22/7. Next question, that is in the figure, a figure is given, that is A, B, E, so here what is given, B is parallel to BC and angle ADE is 70 degree. Angle ADE is 70 degree and BAC is 50 degree. BAC is 50 degree. Find the angle BCA. Find angle BCA. Solve the questions. Next question is question number 8. The cost of fencing, the cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of Rs 24 per meter is find the radius of the field. So what doing these questions? A very simple one. So here Shashank has sent the answer of question number 6. Let's check here. Your answer is coming here, that is 18.857, right? So here we know the area of the sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is the area of the sector? Area of the sector is theta upon 360. Theta is 60, 360 into pi, that is 22/7, r square, that is 6 into 6, right? So here 0 get cancelled with 0, and we have here 6, 36, So we have left here that is 6 into 22 upon 7. So here when we multiply here it is 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13 divided by 7. So here 7 ones are 7, right? Then when we divide here 132 with 7, 7 ones are 7, 62, 7 eights are 56, 12 minus 6 again 6, right? Then we will start with the decimal, right? 8 eights are 56, right? So it is 56 here, 40, 8 fives are, sorry, 7, 8 fives are 35, right? 5, then 7 sevens are 49. So is the right answer 18.857 centimeter square. So we can round it off. We will write the answer here. So sixth question, the answer can be written as our answer is 18.857. When we round it off, we will round it off for the, so this number it can be written as 8.86 centimeter square, or even one more decimal places because in centimeter 1 meter is having, so here even it's more accurate to write 18.9 centimeter square, right? If we are rounding off for the next, then 8.9, 18.9, sorry. So thank you, Shashank. Next question, write the angle. Okay, question number 7. Thank you, Shashank. Question number 7 is saying angle is 60 degree. Let's discuss this question also. So next question. Okay, D is parallel. So 50 plus 70. Where right there for BC is. So you are right one. Here angle ADE. ADE. This angle is given 70 degree. And angle BAC. BAC. This angle is given 50. Right? So this angle is, so BCA. This angle is 60 degree. Angles and properties. So this angle lines are parallel. Alternate angle. So this angle is 60 degree. Right? So this is the right answer. That is BCA is 60 degree. Find the radius of the field. Question number 8. Find the other students, they can also send the answers. We have the next question. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number? So many times question is repeated. If a dice is thrown, if a die is thrown, if a die is thrown once, what is the probability of getting a prime number? What is the probability? What is the probability of getting prime number. Question number 10. The probability of event E and probability of event E dash is equal to, fill up, probability of event A plus probability of event A dash not happening is equal to dash. Question number 10. What is the probability of A plus probability of not happening of A is equal to what? Right? Next question. Draw a line segment. Question number 11. Draw a line segment 7.8 centimeter. Draw a line segment of length that is 7.8 centimeter and divide it in the ratio and divide it into a ratio of 5:8. Draw a line segment of 7.8 centimeter and divide it into the ratio 5:8, right? Divide it in the ratio 5:8 and measure the two parts. Measure the two parts. It is construction 1. Measure the two parts. Measure the two parts. Right? Measure the two parts. This question is of the 2 marks. Okay, one you have to locate the point and then you have to measure the parts. One is 5 units, another is then 8. Not unit, the ratio is 5:8. Okay, so next one. So let's discuss first the last question here. That is, find the radius. Let me check. Anyone who have, okay. Sir, live chat is on. Students are answering there also. Live chat is on, but I have not getting any response here. Okay. Thank you, thank you. So many students they have participated. Manpreet Singh 35. Okay, Manpreet Singh again. Question number 9, 1/2. Very, it is yes, right. 1/2. Arpita Singh 1/2. Very right. Kavyat Rehan 1/2. Very right. So Harshvardhan. So many students. Okay, Arushi Virlaji also. Radius is 35. Okay, let's check here. The question, Kavyat Rehan, 35 meter is the answer. Okay, 35 meter. So thank you. 35 centimeter. 8th one. We know the rate here. When we divide, this is 24. Right? So what we will get? We will get the cost of fencing the circular field and the, so that is 24, that is the per meter cost. So here, what is the circumference? Circumference, that length, that is equal to 5,280 divided by 24. And what is the radius? Then what is the radius? Radius is equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to, that is 5,280 divided by, that is 24. So when we will take 2 2 here, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, and right, and 24 ones are 24. So 5 again. What is R? R is, that is 24 ones are 24. So 5 is 7 here and 22 this side. So we have left here with the R, right? So radius here, find the radius of the field. The radius is, that is 1, 24 ones are 24, 24 ones are 0, and multiply by 7, and so here is 5, 35 centimeter is the right answer. 35 centimeter is the right answer. So next they are saying, very common question. A dice is thrown, right? When a dice is thrown, one is coming, two is coming, can come, three can come, four can come, five can come, or six can come. Let me take, after discussing these two questions, let me discuss these probability questions, and now tomorrow I will take some very, you can say, advanced questions from R.D. Sharma and all, okay, where the sample space, you have to go for the sample space also. So here when a dice is thrown once, okay, we always got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Sometimes question is changed. In the question sometimes they are saying in place of 4 or 5 we have 3, 3, 3 only. Then also we will get the total sample space, that is 36. Here very important thing, prime numbers, 2 is prime, 3 is prime and 5 is prime. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Please remember, 1 is neither a prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So probability of P, that is always 1 by 2 here. 3 upon 6, right? That is 1 by 2. And here also you are very much sure, probability of happening of event A and not happening of event, that is always 1. Okay, that is always 1. So here probability of A and not happening of A, that is always 1. In simple words, किसी घटना के घटने की संभावना, उसके घटने की और उसके ना घटने की, is always, suppose we have some different colors ball in a bag and we are finding a particular balls from out of the bag, okay, so the probability of when we are withdrawing one ball from the bag, so happening of probability of happening of event A plus not happening of event of A, that is always 1, right? That is always 1. Now this construction question, we can do it in two ways. You have to draw this line segment, and you people, you don't have the practice. In examination confirm this kind of question can come. So quickly, two ways. One way, you have to plot a line segment of 7.8, and this is A and this is point B here. Another way, you cannot, the one only one, this is A and B. First, with the help of scale, draw one acute angle. And here ratio, this is it is given 780 here is what? AB is 7.8 centimeter. When AB is 7.8 centimeter, we will start from A with the help of compass or scale. We will mark 1, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Total here ratio is 5:8. So 13. A5, A6, A7, A8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. So with the help of scale we will join. And same angle we will plot here with the help of compass. We will draw one arc. Same arc we will draw from here, and from this point we will measure the angle. Same angle we will measure here, and from this point we will draw. This point is point P, which divides AB in the ratio 1 is 5 and this is 8. Right? One is this way, and two lines. These two lines will be always parallel to each other. One more method is there. Plot one acute angle here. Then same measure the angle. Same arc you can draw here and cut the angle and plot. Then here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, right? And here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. But it is not A, it is B1, B1, B2, B3, B4, 5, B6, B7 and B8. Join. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Join. Join A5 with B8. This point is P, which divides in the ratio 5:8. This is 8, this is 5. Right? Even if we can, this one we can do in this way also. This one upwards, right? This angle we will measure here, and downwards also we will measure the angle. If we are taking this is 5, this is 8 here. So in these both ways we can construct, right? So here, Jaspreet Kaur, she is saying bye. So with this, thank you very much everyone. Okay, tomorrow we will take some of your problem questions from your this periodic test, right? So thank you very much. God bless you all. Stay safe and stay healthy.